Dear friends, we have been approached by our customers to increase the efficiency of our heat pumps from current 6, 7 that we achieve to 15, 20, 35, even more. I just would like to point out that the current technology of air-to-water pool heat pumps with inverter compressors and all the refrigerant cycle and everything really does not allow higher sensible COPs above 10. During our testing, we were able to simulate a COP of 51, that is 51. But let's focus on heat pump being reliable, being quiet, and then provide you a decent COP of 6 or 7.